So to start this up, you'll need to flip this start-stop switch down to the start position. The trigger gets pulled, and this little lever over here on the side is the trigger lock. Gets pushed in, and then you release the trigger, and that locks the trigger into a slightly open position. And then over here on the carburetor, you've got this little indicator right here, this red and green indicator. And you'll want to pump the primer bulb here maybe a couple times there until you start seeing that little green indicator start get some fuel in it. And there's a little wick inside of there that sucks fuel into the carburetor. So let's see if we can get that going there. So hopefully this thing will start right up. Usually it only takes one pull. So let's see. That seemed to get it. It had been a few months since it had been started, so I guess it might have needed a little extra pull or two. All right, so there you go. The NB26 lives to brush cut another day. Love this thing, and I've got 3 different Robins. A NB26 with the just the trigger and handle down here, and a little D-loop up on the shaft, and then I've got a NB281. That has the brush cutter handles and well, you know, you can put any kind of head on there you want, right? So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.